In this video I will show how to delete your YouTube search history on both the web and mobile platforms with our easy-to-follow guide. Whether you're using YouTube on your computer or mobile device, these steps will help you clear your YouTube search history and keep your viewing habits private. First of all, let's look at YouTube app on mobile. These steps are same for Android as well as iOS. Open YouTube app on your phone. Then click on profile icon. Next, click on gear setting icon at the top right corner. Next, click on manage all history. In this screen you can manage your YouTube search history. You can click on delete dropdown and you will get 3 options: delete today history, delete custom history, delete all history. Click on delete today to delete today's history. When you click on delete custom range, then you got the option to select the range of date to delete the history. Then click on next. Then click on delete button. You can delete individual history by clicking on close button next to YouTube video. If you want to delete all, then select delete all time under delete dropdown. Next, click on delete. Then click on got it button. You can also manage auto delete feature. Click on auto delete settings. Currently auto delete is not enabled. If you want to enable, just select when you want to delete. 3 options is available: 3 months, 18 months and 36 months. Then select this time and click on next. Then click on confirm button. Click on next button. In this way we can manage and delete all history in YouTube. Now let's look how to delete all history on YouTube web. Click on 3 horizontal dots at top left corner. Then click on history. Next, click on manage all history. Then select delete all time under delete dropdown to delete all YouTube search history. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.